In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TS5320a printer. So it comes with the color ink cartridge, that's 261 number, and the black ink cartridge 260. Now take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So remove the seal from here. Take the ink cartridge out. Remove the orange seal and repeat it for the black ink cartridge. Remove the seal. Now lift the ink chamber from this side and this will open the ink cartridge chamber. Now go to the ink chamber and open the chamber. There is a lock here, you have to press it and it will open. Take the black ink cartridge and the color ink cartridge out. So you just have to hold it and take it out. Now take your new ink cartridge, install the black ink cartridge here. So the front portion should go down as here and it will slide and set easily. So you just have to do it like this. Now close this lock. Lift this section up and then let it go down. Now go to the screen to check any further instructions. After a few seconds it will show up the ink is installed and we are ready to use this printer. So this way we can install the ink cartridges in this printer and we can start using it. Now press the OK button and we are ready to copy. Thanks for watching.